Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you're learning how to make YouTube Shorts using Canva, the perfect tool for creating eye-catching, professional-looking short videos without any complicated software. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create engaging shorts in just minutes, whether you're making them for your own channel, a client, a brand, or simply for fun. Let's jump right in and start creating something amazing. Begin by opening Canva. If you don't have an account, you can sign up instantly and start designing for free. The platform is extremely user-friendly, which makes it ideal for beginners as well as experienced creators. Once you're inside, look for the purple Create button located at the top right corner. Click it and you'll enter Canva's full design workspace. Next, use the search bar and type YouTube Shorts. Canva will automatically pull up the correct vertical layout you need, which is essential because YouTube Shorts must be created in the 9:16 aspect ratio. If you use a landscape format instead, your video will show black bars on the sides and won't look polished. Select the YouTube Shorts format to start your project with the proper dimensions. Once the canvas loads, you can choose from hundreds of templates designed specifically for shorts. There are bright, energetic styles, minimal clean looks, bold typography designs, and themed layouts for different niches. You can filter by color, topic, or content style to find a template that matches your brand or the vibe you're aiming for. If you'd rather build everything from scratch, you can also select a blank layout and add elements manually. With your template ready, begin adding text by clicking the text tool. Write your title, hook, or the key message you want viewers to see immediately. Shorts depend heavily on grabbing attention within the first few seconds, so bold, clear text can make a huge difference. Feel free to experiment with font size, colors, outlines, and shadows to give your text some personality. Don't be afraid to test different styles until you find a look that stands out. If your content needs multiple scenes, add additional pages. Each page represents a new moment in your short video, similar to slides in a presentation. You can change the images, update the text, and rearrange elements to keep the flow interesting. This is a great way to build quick tutorials, mini stories, product showcases, step-by-step guides, or fast, informative content that holds the viewer's attention. To make everything feel smoother, add transitions. Canva offers simple fades, quick slides, pop-in motions, and animated effects that help your pages blend together. You can also enhance your video with animated stickers, subtle motion graphics, shapes, overlays, and background music that fits the mood. These extra touches make your short more polished and memorable. Take your time to experiment. Creativity often grows out of trial and error. When you're satisfied with your design, head to the Share button in the upper right corner. Choose Download and select MP4 as your file format, since that's the standard for YouTube. Once you confirm your settings, click Download. Canva will process your video, and within a few seconds, your YouTube short will be ready to upload directly from your device. And that's all it takes. You've just created a clean, shareable YouTube short using Canva, all within a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you want more simple and creative tutorials just like this one.